Alright, let's dive into something that's honestly mind-blowing, and no, I'm not exaggerating. Imagine nanoparticles, these tiny, almost invisible structures, acting like stealth agents to sneak antibodies into cells. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's real, and it's happening right now. Researchers have developed a delivery system using lipid nanoparticles that can smuggle therapeutic antibodies into cells, potentially revolutionizing how we treat diseases like cancer, inflammation, and even Parkinson's. What makes this really interesting is the sheer ingenuity behind it. These nanoparticles are like tiny Trojan horses, carrying antibodies, which are usually too big to enter cells on their own right to where they're needed most. Here's the kicker. This isn't just a lab experiment. The technology, published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, has been independently verified by researchers across the globe. Personally, I think this is a game changer. It's not just about the science, it's about the potential to tackle diseases at their root, inside the cell, where many of the most stubborn disease drivers reside. What many people don't realize is that most antibody therapies today target stuff outside the cell because antibodies are too large to cross cell membranes. This technology flips that limitation on its head. The way it works is fascinating. The researchers cloak the antibodies by remodeling their surfaces with a negatively charged ion, allowing them to hitch a ride on positively charged lipid nanoparticles. Once inside the cell, the antibodies uncloak and get to work. It's like a precision strike team, and the implications are massive. For instance, they've already shown it can inhibit alpha-synuclein, a key driver of Parkinson's disease, and reduce lung inflammation in mouse models. If you take a step back and think about it, this could open doors to treating diseases we've struggled with for decades. One thing that immediately stands out is the collaboration behind this breakthrough. The Cornell team, led by Alabi and DeLisa, teamed up with researchers from the Technion-Israel Institute of Technology. This isn't just a single lab's achievement, it's a global effort. And the fact that the technology worked in different labs, under different conditions, is a huge deal. It's not just a proof of concept, it's a blueprint for real-world applications. From my perspective, what's most exciting is the versatility. They've already applied this to brain and lung diseases, but who knows where it could go next? The researchers are even exploring other cloaking groups beyond sulfonates, which could expand the possibilities even further. And let's not forget, they've launched a company, Cloak Bio, to push this into clinical trials. This isn't just academic curiosity, it's a potential pipeline for new therapies. But here's a deeper question. What does this mean for the future of medicine? Personally, I think we're on the cusp of a new era where we can target diseases with unprecedented precision. It's not just about treating symptoms anymore, it's about going after the root causes. And that's what makes this so compelling. So, what do you think? Is this the future of medicine, or just another promising technology that might not pan out? Let me know in the comments. And if you're as fascinated by this as I am, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the cutting edge of science. Because honestly, this is just the beginning.